What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Swami539. We are back again. As you know, we're gonna be doing so many videos, but we have done the iPad unboxing. We're gonna do a review on it. Right now, we're on to the Apple Pencil second generation. We've got the case coming up next, but I want to move into this Apple Pencil second generation. We're gonna do a little unboxing. I'll have a review coming for it later, but I'll tell you some first impressions and kind of initial stuff about it. I did get this one engraved as well. Engraving on all the products is free. Things with the second generation pencil, you don't have to charge it from the back anymore out of your iPad or with that little adapter they gave you. This will attach to the side of the iPad, whether you have an iPad Air, Pro, or now the iPad Mini 6. You've got your double tap feature, all that kind of good stuff, instant pairing, and the latency and all that, with a lot of help from newer screen technology and all that, is less on this pencil. So if you're somebody like me who's a student gonna take notes, a lot of marking up stuff and drawing and things like that, this is the pencil for you. This is the drawing kind of device for you. There's other kind of pencils and imitation pencils which are, for the price they are, they're good products, but if you want the official thing, this is what you're going to need. Works over Bluetooth. So let's get into this unboxing. And just like with the iPad, Apple's kind of got a lot of little more sticky adhesive on the back here, but then as soon as you open it, it's just like butter. It's just, and you can see here, even on the box, shows, sticks to the side of the iPad. And again, this is going to work with the iPad Mini 6, the iPad Air, and the iPad Pros. Just so you guys know, the only iPad that does not work with the second generation pencil is the 9th gen 9.7 inch iPad. If you have an original iPad or Apple Pencil, first gen Apple Pencil, whether you have an Air, a Pro, or a Mini, the first gen Apple Pencil will still work with the new iPad Mini 6. But obviously, if you're getting that kind of device, you're probably wanting to upgrade the pencil. So let's get into this unboxing. Let me see. Oh, here we go. Apple tried to sneak it on us this time. Just pull that. All right. It just slides out. Give it a little force, but it'll slide out. Got your design in California. And we've got our usual. We've got our Apple stuff. You can see you've got the Apple Pencil here. You can get replacement tips on Apple for the pencil. If you do need to get replacement tips, you get 4 for like $20. From what I've heard, I've never heard anybody have to replace them, but I mean, if you do, you can just buy them. And then you've got some normal Apple kind of paper and stuff. One of the more rare Apple products where you don't get a sticker. So I mean, if you're one of those kind of people who are really big on the sticker, you're not gonna find that in an Apple Pencil. But stickers and paperwork aside, let's move over to the pride and joy right here. Pull out the tab. And I can also see too, that's the engraving on the pencil. For a lot of people who, again, I've seen very few comments about it, people saying their pencil engraving got messed up. That's how your pencil engraving is going to look. That's what I did. Oh, come on, camera, focus. There we go. So I think it looks clean. I think it looks good. It's subtle. Let's take the pencil out of this protective kind of plastic coating. And yeah, I mean, it feels good. It helps you up here, you can put your finger there. There's going to be your double tap and all that to kind of switch, whether you're doing, writing, eraser, and that kind of stuff. It feels really good, really lightweight. And let's get the iPad now in here. Like the previous pencil though, it is over Bluetooth. Super simple though, instant pairing. Take the iPad, put it on the right side. It attaches magnetically. It also charges from here. You can see right here, we have the pencil. Let's go through the prompts. And you can actually, you can even see, you can do a quick note, create stuff, all that kind of stuff. Try to do a scribble. So sure, let's try writing. I didn't know they were going to give me a handwriting contest. Or actually, no, we don't need to do that. And again, you can also change the double tap for different features. It is not just pencil eraser. You can change different types of drawing instruments you're going to use. So pencil, crayon, markers, all that kind of stuff. Maybe you have different colors, different thicknesses within the apps and the settings. That's all customizable. And just like that, the pencil's on. We can see the Apple Pencil is connected charging. I will say, when I opened up the iPad, it actually came with 97% charge. I have been waiting a little while for it, but the iPad only had 5% charge, but it just jumped up to 7. It's a very quick charging iPad, I believe. I don't want to quote the exact figure yet, but it's something around like 5 minutes or something like that of charging from it, and you'll get like, I think, over like an hour. So you're not gonna have to worry really about charging time and all that. It is a really strong magnetic connection, by the way. And you can see you can use it as a stylus if you want to draw stuff. The only thing you cannot do with the pencil though is you cannot do the home screen. You can't go back. You have to do that with your finger. Some people complain about it. I can understand too, like, why didn't you do that, Apple? But you can see here, and you can just start drawing stuff right away. And it's got your pen inputs, so pressure and all that kind of stuff. Feels really good. Keep in mind, this is just a normal iPad. I don't have a screen protector or like a Paperlike protector or anything. I think it felt pretty good. Some people might think it's still a little bit too slippery though, so that's the one thing I would say with the pencil I did not get. If you are going to be doing a lot of drawing, a lot of marking, a lot of kind of annotating and all that kind of stuff, maybe invest into a screen protector. Not so much to protect the screen, but more just to give you that paper-like feel, just a little bit more friction on there, kind of to imitate that pencil paper feel. But I think the new Apple Pencil is awesome. Super strong magnetic connection, charges really quickly, and my handwriting is crap, but I mean, it works well. I think it's gonna work great. I think anybody who gets it, whether they're a student, there's somebody who does drawing, or maybe even you're like a professional, maybe you have to do a lot of document signing and all that, I think this is it's a must-have. You gotta have the Apple Pencil. So that's kind of my quick review and all that, really unboxing on the Apple Pencil. As I do more videos on the iPad Mini 6 and the whole, I'm gonna do an iPad series, buying guide and all that. I'll have a better review after using it for a few days. So that's my video for now. Stay tuned. We're gonna have more videos on everything: iPad Mini 6, the case, you name it.